So this question is distribute candies to people. So you're given the candies and also the N for non-people. So let's look at this. So you give 1 candy to the first person, 2 candies to the second, and so on. So 3 for the third, 4 for the fourth guy, and until end, right? And if we go back to the start, if we go back to the start of the row, we get N plus 1 candy to the first one. Alright. This description, it's pretty poor. Let me explain the logic on my own. So you give 1 candy for the first guy, 2 candy for the second guy, 3 candy for the fourth guy, 4 candy for the fourth guy, and if you have more candies, so imagine it is 100 candies, and then you want to start it from the beginning. 5 candy for the first guy, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So here's the problem. If you do not have enough candy for the person you give, you want to give the remaining. Okay, so and then if we have traverse back to here, you want to just keep adding. So it was 1, 2, 3, and then you want to have 4 candy for the first guy. You want to say 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So this will be the solution. Alright, how do you use circular? Just using mob. And let me hide this. Alright, so I'm going to say int result equal to new int number of people. Return result for int give equal to 0. When candies is greater than 0, I will keep traversing. If not, I'm going to break out, and candy will update based on the give. Give is starting from what? 1. Starting from 0, but our in array starting from 0 as well. But when we give, we need to give 1 candy, right? So result at give mod by the number of people. So number of people. So this is 0 mod by the people max.min to the what? To the it's either candies, right, or the plus d. So you give 1 candy or the remaining candy. So if your remaining candy is 1, but you're supposed to give 4 candy at this time, you'll get 1 candy at the end. But don't forget, we need a plus equal over here. So this is actually 0. Why? Don't forget that the code is compiled from top to bottom, left to right. You increment your give at this position, but when you assign a give at this location at a result, it's actually 0, right? So if you don't believe, let me run it and submit. Alright, so time and space, this is all of n, this is all of what? K, but C, all of C, but C actually update based on the give, so it's it's based on the what? It should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 based on the candy, so it's gonna be a summation. The time. I'm talking about time, so it's gonna be. The worst case is gonna be based on the candies. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to n. So that would be n times n plus 1, something like this. But you are subtracting, so this has to be log. Alright, I don't know. I forgot the time and space for this one. But if you don't feel good, then you can have I equal to 0. And then I plus plus using I represent this guy. I think this is how it works. Yeah, it's still the same, but you create an extra variable, and this will be the solution. So I will find out the time space over here and then talk to you later. Bye.